Welcome to the Olympic Game Analytics project in Apache Spark for beginners. In this course, you will learn how to use Apache Spark, Spark SQL, and Apache Zeppelin to analyze one of the most fascinating real world dataset, the Olympic game dataset. By the end of this course, you won't just understand how Spark works, you will actually be able to perform real analytical queries and create visualization from Olympic data just like a professional data engineer or data analyst. Let's look at what you will learn throughout this project. Understand the Olympic dataset. You will begin by exploring the structure of the dataset, learning what attributes, year, and metadata it contains. Work with data in Apache Spark. You will learn how to load CSV file into Spark DataFrame, define schema, and clean or transform the data for analysis. Master Spark SQL. You will write powerful SQL queries on large dataset, aggregating, joining, filtering, and analyzing Olympic result efficiently. Create temporary views. You will create Spark SQL views from data frame, enabling you to query data interactively inside Zeppelin notebooks. Visualize data in Apache Zeppelin. You will transform query results into beautiful charts, bar graph, line chart, and more to visualize trend like medal by countries or athlete performance over time. Analyze real insight. You will perform in-depth analytics such as distribution of athlete ages, medal count by country, gender participation trend, performance metrics across years. Build a complete analytical project. Finally, you will combine everything into a real world project. A fully interactive Olympic game analytics dashboard powered by Spark and Zeppelin. By completing this course, you will gain the following practical skills: data exploration using Spark data frame, writing and optimizing Spark SQL queries, perform joins and aggregation, build building data visualization in Apache Zeppelin, understanding real world data analytics workflows, applying data engineering logic to large data set. And most importantly, you will develop confidence to apply these skills to any data set or analytics project using Apache Spark. The best part, you are not working with dummy data set. You are working with the real Olympic history. You will discover stories hidden in data, which countries dominate over the decades, how athlete physics have evolved, how women participation has grown over time. This project based approach ensures your learning is hands on, engaging, and practical, preparing you for data engineering and analytics role. So, get ready to dive in. By the end of this course, you will not only understand Apache Spark, you will have built a real inside data analytics project from start to finish. Let's begin our journey by exploring the world of data through the Olympic Games.